Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain why it's super important to test fuses and common mistakes people make. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you're trying to find the fuse for the battery sensor, stay with us. We'll explain that in this video today. Also, we'll have a special video how to replace battery sensor and how to test battery sensor as well. All that will be covered, guys. Make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain where to find that fuse and why it's super important to test fuses as well. So before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a fortune. So let's explain how to fix that now. So let's go ahead and explain. Now it doesn't matter if you have a V6, V8, it will work on both of these guys. So we'll go ahead, open the hood. Most people will actually think that the battery sensor fuse is right here, right? But no, it's not here, it's at a different location. And we're going to go towards the back. Car was in a little bit of an accident, nothing too bad, we'll be fixing it soon. Runs and drives like a champ, we just drove it a couple of days ago. And if we come right here, we're going to go ahead, open the trunk, and here, guys, okay, under the cover where the spare tire is, you have a car battery and you have a fuse box. That fuse box here, we're going to open by pressing here and pulling it out. Perfect, like that. Now let's explain why it's super important to test fuses, not to just look at them and guess if they're burnt or not. Sometimes you cannot clearly find out if the fuse is good or not. Always test them, okay, because otherwise you may spend quite a bit of time and money on parts that you don't need. We'll put a link to a special video in the description of the video below, how to test fuses, relays, and where to buy cheap fuses and relays from. So all that will be shared there. The fuse, guys, okay, that we actually need now, okay, that fuse is known as fuse number 35. So if we come in that row of fuses right here, you can see we're going to find now the fourth fuse. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 5M fuse, guys. That 5M fuse. That's fuse number 35. Okay, that's the one for the battery sensor. Now your battery sensor is right here. If you have problems, always test it as well. If you need to replace it, we'll have a special video that will explain how to replace battery sensor and which battery terminal you need to disconnect and reconnect first, because if you do it the wrong way, you can cause damage to the electrical modules, computers, and that can, guys, cost you thousands of dollars itself. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.